Why do you self-sabotage? Let's be clear. You are not self-sabotaging. You are not broken. What's actually happening is something called the upper limit problem. And once you see it, you can unsee it. And by the end of this video, I will help you deal with it. I used to think I had a self-sabotaging problem. Every time things got good, I would find a way to wreck it. And I would just beat myself up for it. Like, what's wrong with me, right? But here's what I finally figured out. It's not a discipline problem, and it's not even self-sabotage. It's something Gay Hendricks calls the upper limit problem in his book, The Big Leap. And once I understood it, everything just clicked. So here's how it works. Think it like every single one of us has an internal thermostat for how good we're allowed to feel, how successful we are allowed to be, how much love, how much money, even how much peace we're actually comfortable with. And when life starts exceeding that limit, your brain doesn't celebrate, it panics. Because to your nervous system, familiar feels safe. Even if familiar is chaos, even if familiar is broke or lonely. But the new and the good, that's the unfamiliar. And the unfamiliar gets flagged as danger. So your brain, it's gonna do what it's designed to do. It brings you back down to the temperature you're used to, the temperature that feels like home. It doesn't really matter that you were finally consistent at the gym for 3 weeks, for example. Your internal thermostat just says, this isn't us. And suddenly you miss 4 days in a row and you don't even know why. And here's the part nobody really talks about, that when you start changing, you are not just building new habits. You're actually fighting your own nervous system as well, the definition of normal. And personally, I saw this in my own life with money. Every time I would get ahead, I would spend it. Not on bills, not on something I needed, just poof, gone. And I couldn't figure it out why. And then I realized I always had that mentality that I'm just bad with money. I don't know how to save. I just YOLO mentality, right? So when I had extra, my brain went, this doesn't feel right. And I would unconsciously bring myself back to broke. Because being broke, it's what was familiar. Broke made sense. See? That isn't a spending problem. That's an upper limit problem. So here's the three things that actually help me, and it might help you as well. First one is name it. When you catch yourself pulling back from something good, just say it out loud. Oh, this is my upper limit. It's just my thermostat doing its thing. That separation alone between you and that pattern, it's very powerful. The second one is get curious instead of cruel. So don't ask, what's wrong with me? Instead, ask, what am I afraid will happen if I let myself have this? Because behind every upper limit, it's a story you are still believing. So be gentle when you talk to yourself. Third is lower the bar, not the goal. The threshold for what feels normal. So let the good thing be messy. Let success feel unfamiliar for a while. You don't have to be comfortable with it yet. Give yourself time. You just have to stop chasing yourself back down. So here's what I want you to take it from this. The goal isn't to never hit your upper limit, but to notice it faster each time. To catch yourself mid-sabotage and go, oh, right, this isn't me just being broken. This is me outgrowing the version of myself that thought this was as good as it gets. And if this is happening to you right now, please remember, it's not a sign you're failing. It's a sign that you are leveling up. Tell me in the comments, what is one area of your life where things are actually going well and you can feel that voice trying to pull you back? If this resonated with you, Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.